that's R-rated. This is what I have so far. So this is what happened on the update. We have data assets now. This is the default data asset, and if you want to create a new one, you can just duplicate this. For example, you have another weapon that you have in mind, guns, swords, and the hero anim sequences. As you can see here, we have the default fists, sword, and we can add something else, whatever weapon you want to add to your game. And every weapon should have different montages, right? That way you can duplicate the default fists montages and create new ones. If you have paired animations, the attacker and the victim should be located on the same integer, the same index. We have all of these montages centralized inside this data asset. So all you need to do is just use these data assets and have your own setups for each weapon. You can change your own weapon and then the animation would change if you put something else on the data asset for each weapon. So for example, if you want to dodge differently when you have a sword, it's possible now. Now Magnum Combat has its own custom code on Sequence Manager. Instance Sequence Manager. When we set this up as an action cam, it changes into action camera. Now that we have this action camera, we want the transform origin actor to be itself. The camera would play in accordance to where the player's looking at. We can also have different action cameras when we're using different weapons. So for Deadpool, I want the player to have an option to use one sword or double sword, one gun and two guns. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and good luck with your own project. Oh! If you want to see more of this Deadpool game, well, let's try to make it. Why not? We'll make a full game. We'll make a fun demo, a 15 minutes game, 15 to 30 minutes game. Why not? Let's make it. Support me on Patreon. I don't know. I'm so nervous about the Patreon thing. Stay tuned because I'll be posting more videos about this. You can subscribe or even support me on Patreon.